Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to unblock a number on this device. So I will show you two different ways. The first one is through the contact list and the second through the settings. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then choose block numbers here in this contact settings. So let's tap on it. Here you've got, of course, the information that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so we just tap on block. And here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, just by tapping on unblock numbers. Now let me go back. And the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings, and here it does not really matter whether you will be on the favorites, recents, contacts, whatever. Just tap on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner and open the settings. Here we have to enter blocked numbers in the general section, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the first option also works. Here we can tap on add a phone number, and we've got this section where we can manually enter the number and tap on block. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the block list. What is more, we've got this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically your device can block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.